Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make banana flan. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including ripe bananas, fresh eggs, milk, and sugar. Next, we'll create a beautiful golden caramel to line your flan mold. Finally, get your oven preheated and set up a water bath, which is crucial for that perfectly smooth texture. Now let's make that delicious caramel. Gently cook sugar and a splash of water until it transforms into a beautiful deep amber. Immediately pour this into your flan mold. For the custard, combine ripe bananas, 3 eggs, 1 cup of milk, and half a cup of sugar in a blender. Process until it's perfectly smooth and creamy.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. On another note, just like a perfect flan brings comfort, so do darn tough socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
With your caramel set, it's time for the custard. Gently pour the smooth banana mixture over the caramel in the mold. Then, place your flan mold into a larger baking pan. Fill the larger pan with hot water, creating a water bath. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until the flan is set but still has a slight jiggle in the center. Patience is key for the perfect flan. Once baked, let it cool completely on your counter. Then transfer it to the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Overnight is even better for optimal setting. When ready to serve, carefully invert the chilled flan onto a serving plate. The caramel will beautifully cascade over the creamy banana custard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.